I looked into ERPNext and Odoo. And honestly, both are strong ERP systems, but they're built with very different approaches. ERPNext is fully open source, transparent, and extremely customizable right out of the box. You get accounting, HR, CRM, manufacturing, inventory, and even niche modules like agriculture and nonprofit, all included without extra licensing fees. It feels clean, lightweight, and ideal for teams that prefer open-source freedom and long-term ownership. Odoo, on the other hand, is more polished and business-friendly. The interface is smoother, the apps integrate seamlessly, and there are far more modules available, especially in the Enterprise Edition. You get marketing tools, advanced accounting, help desk, PLM, and automation features that ERPNext doesn't fully match, but most of these require paid licenses, and the costs can add up quickly. Where ERPNext falls short is ecosystem size and UI refinement. It's powerful, but it sometimes requires more technical skill to customize. Odoo is easier for non-technical teams, but the community version is limited compared to Enterprise. So which one is worth it? If you want complete control, zero licensing costs, and a fully transparent system, ERPNext is the smarter choice. If you want a polished, plug-and-play ERP with tons of features, Odoo delivers more convenience.